What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. It's too damn cold out here today, guys. I don't know what's going on with this crazy weather. They said the bipolar, I said it correctly, the bipolar vortex has broken its walls or something, and all this cold air is coming upon the states, and it's really, really cold up in northeast where I'm at. So guess what, guys? We're going to be doing something indoors today instead of outdoors, and I love cooking outdoors, but I can't do it, guys. It's extremely cold today. So we're going to be doing pork belly, the crispy skin pork belly today inside the oven. I'm gonna show you how to do it, guys, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, guys, welcome back to another episode. If you haven't had a chance to hit that subscribe button, do that right now and ring that bell. That way you stay updated on all the latest content. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. And right now the temperature outside my house is only 6 degrees. Man, oh man, it's cold around in my neck of the woods. Alright, guys, so we're going to be doing some crispy pork belly today with that crispy skin. And I'm going to just trim off some of that excess fat, some of that silver skin that is not good to eat. And we're just basically going to cook it inside the house today because it's too cold to cook it outside. So we're just basically going to score the meat side a little bit, so that way it cooks a little bit faster, and also the marinade and everything that we're going to do today is going to absorb right into that meat, so it's going to flavor it up real good. Next, we're going to flip it to the skin side and do the same, but we're not going to score it all the way down to the meat, just the skin side, guys. And we're going to let this sit for about 6 to 8 hours in the refrigerator so all the moisture can escape out of that skin, so it can give us nice crispy skin. Oh man, that crackling, oh man, we call that the chicharrones. Wow, it's gonna be awesome, guys. So these are the ingredients that you're gonna be seeing today. We're gonna be doing an Asian twist, because we're gonna be doing a crispy pork belly Asian style. So these are the ingredients. Everything you see right here is gonna be listed down below in the description box with the quantity and the amount that we're gonna be using, guys. All the Asian ingredients we're using today on this barbecue twist, you can find this at your local Asian market, and if not, you can definitely find this on Amazon or eBay.com. But this wouldn't be a barbecue twist or smoking jazz barbecue twist without that barbecue flavors, guys. So you know I gotta add my barbecue flavors to this pork belly. Oh man, this is gonna be some good stuff. Be sure to mix and incorporate everything thoroughly, guys. We don't want nothing to be lumpy, so we want to make sure everything turn out to be a nice smooth paste, just like so, because this is going to be our marinade. Next, we're going to take our pork belly that's been drying out in our refrigerator for 6 to 8 hours, and then we're going to hit it with some Himalayan salt and some fennel seeds. This is going to be our layers of flavor that we're going to add to this. And if you have never used fennel seeds on pork, guys, I don't know what you're waiting for, man. This is a very good combination. It goes really well, just like apple and pork. I promise you that. So give it a try, guys. So we're going to take our marinade right now, and we're going to smear it all over that meat side, and we're going to get into those crevices. We're going to let that marinade penetrate the meat, and it's going to flavor it up all the way through, man. I can't wait to taste this, guys. So we're going to let this rest about 10 to 15 minutes while we warm up our oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to cook this for about 3 hours or so. Once our oven has come up to temp, we're going to place it in the middle rack and let us do its magic. Oh man, take a look at that, guys. We haven't cooked it yet, and it looks good right now. Wow, man. So after the first hour, let's take a look at what she looks like. Okay, I know, a little steam, guys. Sorry about that. A little steam. All right. Well, now we got a better picture. So take a look at that. It's starting to brown out nice and evenly. Wow. So after another hour has gone by, let's take a peek at what she looks like now. Man, I know that fog, that steam is getting on my nerves. But take a look at that color, guys. Wow. Woo. Now that's what I'm talking about right there, guys. So we're gonna close the lid and let it cook for that final hour. And after the third hour, this is the reveal, guys. Look at that. Wow. Take a look at that brown crispy skin, guys. Wow. So guys, this is my version of smoking jazz barbecue crispy pork belly with a Asian twist. And here comes the best part of the entire video. Alright, guys, we want to find out how crispy this is. Take a look at that. Whew. Man. I don't know if you can hear the crunch, but it's there. Very tasty, very flavorful, easy to make, right in your oven, in your kitchen. You guys can do this. If I can, so can you. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Till next time, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue.